Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So yesterday we had discussed if Bank Nifty goes above 33,750, it can go till 34,000 and today's high was around 33,980. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty goes above 34,000, then it can go till 34,150 to 34,200. And if we see a consolidation here in the morning half, and if Bank Nifty gives a breakout after the consolidation, then Bank Nifty can go till 34,400, and on the downside 33,600 will act as a support, and Bank Nifty will get bearish only below 33,600. In case Bank Nifty goes below 33,600, it can fall till 33,400. Now let's see Nifty. So in Nifty we had discussed you can sell it below 15,700 and it can come till 15,630. Today it came till 15,660, but we saw recovery from there, and now there is a trend line here and it has a support at 15,700. So until Nifty goes below 15,700, it will remain positive. If it goes below 15,700, it can go till 15,600, and tomorrow if it goes above 15,850, you can buy Nifty and it can go till 15,900 to 925, and if it sustains above 15,925, then it can go till 16,000, as the 15,900 call writers will do short covering. Now let's see our today's stock. So our today's stock is ITC, and if you see the chart from 270 we saw selling pressure and ITC came till 200. From there we saw recovery, and around 270 it was consolidating from last 2-3 months, and now it has given a breakout from this consolidation. So in the coming sessions it can go till 320, but tomorrow for intraday of 1 or 2 days you can buy ITC about 293. The target will be 300. Since it is a round level, it will act as a resistance, and you'll have to maintain a stop loss around 288 for this trade. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.